In this video, we're going to do a quick overview of the way the sites link together and what this Unity bar is. Above each site, we have what's called a Gcr Unity Bar. This is a feature that is only used by structured organizations and is much needed to keep the chapters united. For every site, you can access the Gulf Coast region centaurs, you can access the chapters in the GCR, GCR members network, and shop GCR IOTAs. So I'll show you how that works. Gulf Coast region centaurs, that's the main GCRIOTAs.com site. Chapters in the GCR is a link to all the chapters. So if you're on the chapter page and a chapter has a website like this chapter does, then from this chapter, from the main GCR website, you would click on this chapter. So now you notice that this says EO.GCRIOTAs.com, Epsilon Omega of Atlanta, Georgia. So their site looks like the national website or the regional website, and the reason being is that until they put their own pictures and text, this is just the basics. It's not the exact same link structure, but it's similar. But from every site, you'll be able to access, as if you were not even on different sites, you'll be able to access each independent site. So moving on, if you were to click on GCR Members Network, you'd access m.gcrotas.com, and that stands for members.gcrotas.com. This is a members only website. So in order to be able to see what's going on the inside, you have to be logged in, or you'll be presented with this welcome and you have to register or log in. Moving on from the members network, then you have the shop GCR IOTAs. And this is what this is just a placeholder for the shop because we don't have any graphics or real merchandise. But from here you'd have all the GCR IOTAs merchandise and things of that nature. So here, this is what it looks like if you're not logged in, and if you are logged in, this is what the sites will look like. Let's go to the members network. So you see now I'm presented with links that I wouldn't have seen if I was not logged in. See, just welcome. I am logged in. Now I have members, user groups, activity streams, live streams, things of that nature. I'll go ahead and make some more videos to be able to show how each independent site functions.